Testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey, all right, all right. All right. And we love it. The winter, huh? And everything looks real good. And I hate this video. Hey, what's up? So today we're gonna work on this master bedroom. We're gonna install 2 new windows. So right now we have 2 old windows, the original windows from the house, and they're fairly new, but one of them's cracked, and they're honestly painted from the outside. So like the white vinyl part of the windows painted on the outside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace them. But not only that, is we're gonna actually reposition where they're at. So right now they're both stuck together. So that's a better view right there. So you'll actually get to see kind of where it's positioned. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put a window here on the left, maybe about 16 inches from the wall, and then put a window right there, about same, maybe a bit more, honestly, because I want to center this bed towards the center of this bedroom, and then have the windows right on the right and left of this bed as well. King size bed's like 76 inches wide, and a queen is 60, and so we need to create enough space in between the windows that a king size bed can fit in. So other than that, we're gonna start moving everything out of this room, at least the majority of it, and we're gonna start renovating, I think. Yeah, we'll make it work. I'm thinking I can get this done in one day, so I'm pretty excited. So let's get at it. Alright, so we're done. The bed's back in, the furniture is in, the side tables, everything else looks great in their place, and my wife and I love it. The bed looks centered, it's good. The windows add a lot more light, kind of spreading out through the room rather than being off-center like it was earlier. And so we love it. Only thing left is some blinds and a photo, and we should be great. Another thing I added in this room was some crown molding. I actually wasn't planning on it at the beginning, but honestly 2 years ago I actually bought all of it for the house. But it takes a little bit of time to do it, to caulking around it, and to make it look good, paint and all that. So I actually felt like I'm in this room, I'm doing the work, and might as well just go ahead and finish it all. So that looks really good, it adds to the room. Also, this panel right here, it's a long story, but this panel used to be in the bathroom. And what I did was I felt like it was, I mean, I think by code it actually shouldn't be in a bathroom, but earlier this was a laundry room, bathroom kind of mixed together. So I figured I'm gonna swap it back in and cover it with a photo for now, and maybe one of these days, there's only 2 wires going up, all the rest are going down, so one of these days we can actually take this whole breaker panel and take it downstairs. Something on those lines, we'll figure it out. But this fireplace right here, love it. One day I'm gonna refinish it and just add some new grout, some new, I think probably like white cement, and just make it really look unique and awesome. So some of the before photos actually was, the whole fireplace was covered with panels, so you really never got to see the pretty brick. So there are 1 or 2 things I learned in this whole project, and that's the kind of caulk that I bought, and that is to seal the edges of the windows and the trim and all that. So I bought a box in bulk, and I've never tried this before. It's the same brand that I try, and I'll show you, but it actually cracked, and it was honestly a cheaper box because it was in bulk, but I had no idea it'd be probably a horrible quality, but it was. And some of my trim actually cracked, the edges of it cracked, and fairly disappointed, but it's all right. And the second one is that the drywall mud that I used, it actually took a long time to dry. It was I think a 20-minute. However, that 20-minute took almost 24 hours. So I actually put heaters in the room, and I try to speed up the process a bit. But overall, this project was fun. I enjoyed it. It was something I needed to be done, and I wanted to do for a very long time, but didn't get to it just because I wasn't working on the outside of the project yet. But we're excited and we love it. Can't wait to get the blinds and photo, and the rest will just look real good. So other than that, thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to continue to make great videos. Some videos that'll help you, and some that'll inspire you to build and remodel your house. So see you next time.